Wake up, open your eyes. We all rise. Pay attention. Don't be left behind. Watch them. What's going on, guys? This is your boy Crypto Chase coming at you with another crypto space news video. Today I wanted to just touch base with you real quick on the latest Ripple and XRP news related updates, and also go through where a renowned analyst of the markets says that XRP is poised to go to a target price of 68 cents. So let's get on into it. Ripple confirms ODL plans for India and demands regulatory clarity. Ripple's Navin Gupta has confirmed the company's plans to introduce an on-demand liquidity payment corridor for India. Ripple has proposed a public consultation to define its policy on cryptocurrencies. Now, with all the news coming out about Ripple and their on-demand liquidity, this is just another major milestone towards mass adoption and Ripple and their remittance payments to be globally adopted, and for that switch that we have all been waiting to be flipped to just all of a sudden be turned on, and then there won't be any stopping the price of XRP, and people out there will wish that they didn't shit talk or sell their bags to FOMO into chasing other assets all-time highs to later on just see a retrace and lose their money, and now they don't have as much money as they did before to buy back into the standard XRP. So continuing on, guys, Ripple's managing director for South Asia and MENA, Navin Gupta, has revealed more details about the company's plans for India. In an interview with the local Indian media, Gupta confirmed that Ripple plans to create a corridor for India. Now, this is pretty big news for them, because now that you can trade cryptocurrency in India, they have seen about a $7 to $8 million gain in the markets over there in trading on their exchange WazirX. The volume has reached an annual high of $12 million. So the trading volume for ZebPay peaked on August 2nd with $8 million in total, demonstrating the growing adoption of cryptocurrencies in the market's potential for and solutions like those offered by Ripple. The Ripple executive said that the total remittances sent to India from abroad is 7% of the total value lost due to fees. Ripple is keen to introduce ODL solution for the India market to make remittances faster, easier, better, and cheaper through the use of digital assets. So what they're doing is they're going to try to implement this so that people are not losing 7% of their money just trying to exchange or trade on the Indian exchanges over there in India. However, Ripple has one major concern, that is the lack of clear regulation and a robust legal framework to support operations with digital assets and cryptocurrencies. However, Gupta also said the company is optimistic about India's progress in this area. As reported by Crypto Newsflash, Ripple has proposed to the government of India a model legal framework. Presented in late June 2020, the framework proposes policies that will enable the country to benefit from blockchain technology and crypto trade, which it does. I mean, who doesn't like and enjoy profits and not having to pay 7% crypto fees just to trade or send money. That's ridiculous. I don't want to, I mean, if you don't make a lot of money, who wants to spend 7% just trying to send it back to your parents or your family, you know, trying to help them out, help them survive, and you got to pay 7%? Nah, I ain't doing that. Ripple needs to step up and get in there, which I highly believe that it's going to happen because, you know, our payment remittance is the standard and leading in the technology for XRP and their ODL platform. So they definitely need to get in there and help India out for their people and their trading and everything like that. On this possibility, the Ripple executive said that solution has to be regularity. He stressed that instead of banning trade and stifling innovation, the government has to promote a legal framework that incorporates all actors in the financial system. Quote, "We urge India's policymakers to initiate a process of public consultations in connection with any proposed policy action touching upon digital assets in India. If the government takes the lead in enacting positively policy changes, it will initiate an opportunity for Indian businesses, entrepreneurs, innovators, and consumers to benefit from digital assets in a safe and meaningful way." Exactly. They're on board. They're just waiting for the clarity that they need, and Ripple and XRP will bring that to them. We shall keep you updated on this to see where it goes from here. The next article that I wanted to also touch base is coming from Crypto News Flash, and it's more about Ripple and ODL and XRP adoption in the Philippines. The Philippines, if you guys don't know, is a major user of ODL and the Ripple payment remittance platform. So we'll start off here with this right here. The head of Ripple for Southeast Asia has expressed his optimism to a Philippine daily newspaper that the XRP-based on-demand liquidity payment solution will find further adoption in the country. According to Ripple's Kevin Lee, half of Ripple's customers are from the Asia-Pacific region, with the Philippines being one of the most important remittance destinations worldwide. So yeah, I mean, if they are over half of Ripple's customers, they need to lock that down for sure and get all the regulation and ODL that they need and the adoption that they need, the regulations that they need for that to be solved. As the Philippine newspaper Manila Standard reports, Ripple is proposing further expansion opportunities in the Philippines for its XRP-based on-demand liquidity payment solution, which is open for digital payments with coins.ph, SendFriend, and Azimo. Ripple already has 3 partners covering the Philippine market. According to the Manila Standard, Ripple is helping Filipinos from around the world to send money to their families in the Philippines faster and at lower cost. Kevin Lee, the Singapore-based head of Ripple for Southeast Asia, explained in an email interview with the newspaper that Ripple has developed on-demand liquidity to solve the liquidity trap in international payments. He further went on to explain that to the Philippine newspaper, ODL is using the cryptocurrency XRP as a bridge currency, solving the $10 trillion USD problem that have to be used to pre-finance accounts in global payments. See, we don't want to pre-finance accounts. We just want to send it through the platform, change it to the right currency, and be able to send it home to our families, our loved ones, and our friends. We don't want to have to pre-finance anything. An estimated $10 trillion is trapped around the world now. But this need for pre-funding in destination currencies is eliminated by using XRP, which dramatically lowers costs while enabling faster real-time payments. Like I keep going on and on about it, XRP is a payment remittance standard. You don't get your money trapped. It don't take weeks to send. It's the bridge asset. Send it in XRP, change it to whatever currency you need, send it back to XRP to your destination, and then they can change it back whatever they see fit. And the transaction fees are low. In the previous article, you saw it, 7% of your money goes to transaction fees. We are not about that. XRP fees are very, very cheap. It's very cheap to send and receive money on XRP and RippleNet. He also pointed out that the importance of the Asia-Pacific region as a target group for Ripple. More than half of Ripple's customers are from the Asia-Pacific region. The Philippines, in particular, is emerging as an important market as one of the most important remittance destinations in the world, as evidenced by a $34 billion USD that flowed to the Philippines in 2018. He also expressed his optimism about the growth of the Ripple in the Philippines. We are optimistic about the future of digital payments in the Philippines. Since 2018, there has been an increasing demand for e-payments in the Philippines, and this number is expected to increase globally by 15% in 2020 due to the global pandemic. More recently, we've seen a significant uptick in e-payments and online transactions, with InstaPay and PesoNet transactions hitting $310 billion from March to May, up 54.4% from the previous quarter. That is no small amount of increase, I'll tell you that right now. The Philippines has also introduced a variety of digital wallets to facilitate access to financial services for people without bank accounts and to open new remittance corridors to other countries in the region. According to Lee, this momentum will continue as Bangko Sentral NG Pilipinas, the central bank of the Philippines, continue to push for an increase in economic payments in the country through the national retail payment system, with BSP Governor Benjamin Diokno predicting digital or e-payments will increase to 50% of all payment transactions, and the government playing a significant role in promoting the adoption of digital payments. We believe BSP is on the right track in furthering industry growth while protecting the interest of consumers. And there you go. There is more confirmation that Ripple and XRP bridges the gap and saves you money. You know, especially with they're stating major players, major partners in that area. We need more adoption for those guys. We need them to help their peoples and their communities and cities to get their money when they need it. And it seems like that their banks and the central bank of the Philippines is most definitely on board. And the last and final thing that I wanted to touch base with you guys on this beautiful Sunday is Crypto Misael, excuse me if I butchered his name, says that Ethereum will correct before going to $700. The renowned analyst Michael Van de Poppe predicts the correction of Ethereum price and a subsequent rally to $700. Van de Poppe also predicts a rally for XRP and a target price of 68 cents, while he sets a target price of 17,000 for Bitcoin. Now, at the time of this publication, the second cryptocurrency by market cap was trading at $427 with a 2.14% loss in the last 24 hours. However, ETH is still one of the biggest winners in the market with a weekly rally of 9% gain and an outstanding plus of 82% over the last 30 days. I actually have a few Ethereum saved up in my bags. I was going to sell it, but the transaction fees and everything to trade for other assets has gotten ridiculous. So I am going to just hold my few Ethereum. I know it's a small bag, but whatever. You know, we all rise. It don't matter how small your bags are. You know, just hodl. He goes on to state in this article that Ethereum will be unstoppable up to $700. I am not going to verbatim this article. He does go on to say that it possibly could come down and retest between the 300 and 360 mark, and then continue on to break those other highs at $700 and test those resistance and support levels up there to set new supports and keep continuing on. He also shared his equally optimistic prediction for XRP. He said that the digital asset is on good ground to approach $1. In the meantime, he expects XRP to stay in the consolidation phase and then start to rally. He goes on to say, you want to see some compression here, sideways movements, then you're going to break through this high and make a new higher high, which is essentially should lead towards to 40 or even 50 cents. Then you can start defining the levels from expansion we have here, in which a rally towards even 61 cents, or in this case, the block around 68 cents, is very likely to occur. And he is a very renowned analyst when it comes to the charts, so if he believes that it's going to go up to around 68 cents, I will probably put stock into that and believe him and just keep hodling. I am not ever going to sell my XRP bags to chase green candles or all-time highs of other assets. But anyways, guys, I'm not trying to make this video insanely long. It is Sunday. It is the day of rest. I hope that is exactly what you're doing. Out there resting, preparing to go back to work tomorrow. Please leave me a like. Give me a comment down here on what your predictions are for the short term or even the long term for XRP. What do you guys think about this new ODL corridors in India and in the Philippines? Let me know down in the comment section. And as always, guys, please like, comment, share this with your friends and family. Get them involved in crypto. Just keep trying. It doesn't matter if you think you're beating a dead horse. Just keep trying. Sometimes, people got to wake up. And again, as always, this has been your boy Crypto Chase coming at you with another crypto space news video. And as always, we all rise. And I'll see you in the next one.